How to use rose water for dry skin. Come winter, and all those skin issues start peeping out again. Don't you think your skin needs to be prepared for winter's arrival? That is why you need to incorporate rose water for dry skin in your skincare regimen. Yes, to prepare your skin to face the harsh winter, you need to give it extra care and protection. Your skin hydration plays a crucial role in achieving fresh and healthy skin. If you have dry skin, you need to be extra careful with the products you choose and how you care for your skin. A balanced skincare routine is all you need to be tension-free during the winter. Rose water by itself is not going to do wonders for your skin, but in combination with other moisturizing ingredients, it helps keep your skin feeling hydrated for longer while also improving its texture. The reason this fragrant liquid suits dry skin is because of how efficiently it refines your pores without drying your skin out. Rose water is usually used as an additive in skincare treatments. It can be used by itself as a toner or in combination with other moisturizing ingredients for dry skin. Rose water mask, cleansing, toning, and moisturizing your face is an essential part of any skincare routine. This rose water toner, unlike most toners available on the market, is extremely gentle on your skin. It may help get rid of residual dirt and grime without drying out your skin. In fact, it might leave your skin feeling fresh and hydrated.